So the state has added additional charges in the Sassa card fraud scheme case. 5 suspects appeared in court for their alleged role in an alleged 260 million rand scheme at the Johannesburg office. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi has more.
5 new faces have now been added to the Sassa card fraud case, taking the number of the accused in the 260 million rand Sassa fraud card scheme to 9. They are all Sassa employees that the police have launched a crackdown on, which started at their Johannesburg offices on Friday with just 3 arrests of grant administrators. They'll be joined by 4 others who are already facing over 54 charges in this matter. But the state has now gone on to add more charges, which include theft and the contravention of the Cybercrimes Act.
The accused before court are facing over 1,000 charges. With the ongoing investigations, we cannot rule out the addition of more charges, nor can we rule out the addition of additional suspects. So we've already heard in court that one of the suspects has handed themselves over to the police.
This appearance comes a day before the initial 4 arrested in this matter were expected to make a bail application. Their bail bid had to be postponed earlier this month due to the state bringing more charges. The addition of a further 1,390 charges the day before their bail hearing throws a possible spanner in the works.
Well, we'll be guided by the process from the police, whether or not the one that has handed himself over to the police will be appearing in court, or on Wednesday will be guided by the police. However, with the 9 that are before court, the agreement that we have with the defense is that as we were ready to proceed with the bail application of the first 4 accused persons that were arrested in this matter, we will continue along those lines.
Police are still looking for one more suspect believed to be an employee of the agency. While these 5 were making an appearance in court, the agency was giving an update on the Sassa card switch for beneficiaries, but also gave an update on the status of these employees implicated in this matter. They say these arrests are also attributed to their anti-fraud strategy, which also includes a review process.
We started with a review and we're going office per office, and we've come across that in Johannesburg we had almost 200 files that were contaminated. We subjected those to the review. So what we are seeing is the effect of the work that we already started. So we're going to do a review in the entire country in all our Sassa offices. The labor relation process consequence management is also kicking in. You'll understand when you're arrested, we'll have to put you on suspension.
The bail application remains on a lurch as the state continues to add more charges and more accused to this matter. The decision on whether to proceed will only be heard on Tuesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the Lenasia Magistrates Court.